So, like I was saying the previous, if you have been following me up, you will know that I've been talking about how to generate geomatic figures. So I will practically show you how to do that right now. But there are ways people usually do it. You can choose any one convenient for you. Are you with me? So, but I want to show you what I mean by what generating geometric figure using the word the tasking. Aha. Now, before I will then show you the other one that is more open, more spiritually inclined, more closer to the world, the universal mind. Because what is needed, like I said earlier, is that what your ability to get closer, ability to connect with what the universal mind. Universal mind is a universal mind is what we all want to connect with. It's just like something is inside the air, inside the breeze, inside the world generally. So you want to tap from it. You that the one that want to tap from it, then you are the one that needs to align with it, not by setting out some guidance, some rules, expecting the universal mind to connect with you. No, let me explain what I mean because you might not understand that how do we set rules and you might let me give you one of the ways. Let me give an example like a tasking. In geomancy we have what we call tasking. Tasking is like the alphabetic orders of figures. That is just this literally the simplest way of explaining what a tasking is. Is alphabetical arrangement of figure, just like in ABC. In English letter, we have A, B, C. A will come first, B will come first, C will come first. You understand? But let's say in Yoruba alphabet, A will come first, B will come second, D will come third. Unlike in English, C will come third. But in Yoruba alphabet, that is the same difference we have in every other letter. So, geomantic figures has alphabetic arrangement varies from different scholar to different scholars. So when you are hearing about Taskin, it's talking about just like if you want to learn anything if you want to learn any language, you have to learn their letters, the letters of that language, in order to know how to form a figure. In order to know how to form a words. That is the same things happening in geomancy too. It's the figure, you learn the figure. Though you know A, B, you know A, you know B. Then how do you know which one comes first, which one comes second? That is the same rules that apply in geomancy. We have different figures. Geomancy has basically, geomancy has 16 figures. Unlike in English that we have 26 letters. Geomancy has 26 letters. Let's use the word letter for you to understand it as well. Geomancy has 16 letters. But randomly around the world, it's just like any letter is letter. But technically, each has different arrangement. That when you see this particular arrangement, you know that this particular arrangement according to this particular scholars. And when you are talking about scholars, each scholars that this is the technique for this particular scholar. Scholar has their followers. In fact, in Nigeria, let me use Nigeria as an example. The Taskin that is populated, that is mostly used in Nigeria, especially in the northern and the west aspect of or Nigeria. Let me use Nigeria as a whole generally. There's a scholar we call Asanati. You understand? This person has his own. That is what is mostly followed. That doesn't mean that we don't follow. That doesn't mean we don't follow other tasking. No, I'm just telling you that in that tribe. There's what we call tom-tom approach as well. Tom-tom tasking is a scholar itself. So they have so it means that each tribe, each cultures, geomancy is formed in that way. The same way we write A in Nigeria, it's the same way they write A in West, in America, London, and the likes. You understand? But when it comes to cultural arrangement of letters, it is different. That is the same way it is different here. You understand? So I hope you are understanding what I'm trying. That is basically, I just deviated away a bit to explain what a Taskin is and how it can be used to generate geomantic chart. You know the foundation of the word. If you want to bring out the word a divisional table with the geometry, if you want to practice geomancy, you first need four figures. That four figures are the foundation to your answer, the query you want to answer. They are the one that want to lay a background to your question. They are like the step you will take to you to climb the ladder of interpretation. Once you know how to generate that four figure, the rest become easy. So people sometimes use this word tasking to generate geomancy table. So I will be showing you now in the subsequent topic discussion.